Yo, good morning, everybody. Let's see. SPY, QQQ, Amazon, Tesla, NVDA, Exxon, Chevron. What else we want to go on here? AMD. I think that's good. Post. Alrighty. Boom. Let's do this. Let's do this, ladies and gentlemen. All right, who we got in here? Good morning. Kaz, Mr. FMG, Anglade, I think is how you say it. Shiv, Dr. Pick 6, Overgrind, HD, Bernie, Jonathan, Justin, Liyanage, Kaz, Noel, JTS, Natasha, Jersey, Exer, Richard, Jim. Good morning. Good morning. So, how about that SPY bottom yesterday, huh? Anybody? Remember yesterday, the exact bottom on SPY gave it to you guys. So remember, we talked about it in the Fibonacci video. I'm pretty sure I talked about it in previous videos before that, to watch this pivot low to pivot high, this pivot low to pivot high. And we've talked about it in the live streams for I don't even know how many days straight, right? About this fib level right here. Sure enough, price came down right to the exact level. 445.28 was the level, so off by 1 penny. My bad. Hit it, and now we're all the way up at 450.30. So that was a huge reaction off of that level. Huge. So let's just hop right into it today, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what we can find. So if I'm going to be interested in upside, I would like to see us build a base above 450.63. We are getting very close to that ES supply, which is going to be in this area right here. So we're going to have to look at that on ES. You can see it on SPY, but when I trade supply and demand, I prefer to use ES, which actually is going to line up with this 50% fib from that high over here at this 459.55 all the way down to that 445.30. So I like that if we can get up there, that entire zone for a reject, or we just slowly grind through it, one or the other. So, I mean, that's the basic analysis on SPY. If we come back down here, I'll look for another bounce. If we get above here and start building strength, I'm looking for a push into supply. Easy. Head on over to ES so we can actually see that supply zone. And this is why it's really important to do your analysis both on SPY and ES, because as you can see, ES broke the level yesterday. ES had nothing down here confirming it. SPY did. That's why we watch both. But anyways, the supply zone I am talking about starts right there on the 1 hour. We're going to mark this fib real quick. Highest high to lowest low. This is going to line up towards the top of supply. So here, let's do this. This is our 1 hour supply zone. Break it down to a 30-minute. We have a little smaller of a zone in there. I also believe you can see it on the 45 if I'm not mistaken. So this is a very high confluence level that I'm definitely interested in. Yeah, you can see the 45 right there. You can see it on the 30. So we're going to mark the 30, and this is going to be my high probability reject area. 30-minute. Good morning, everybody. Did you guys watch yesterday's bootcamp video? Everybody checked in on that? I hope so. But we can watch this little overnight high as well. But again, mainly interested in that reject right there. If we start pulling back, we could potentially take this low to high. It just really depends on when we start pulling back. So we'll see with that. But that's the basic analysis on ES for the time being. Head on over to QQQ. You can see QQQ did pretty much bounce off of that 61.8 as well. Dropped slightly below it, but then reclaimed. So if we come down and we retest, I'll be interested. Let's see. Still have that 4-hour squeeze. We're trading at that 4-hour 21 EMA. There to there. There to there. And then we have a higher probability reject up here. Cool. That's about it for QQQ. And then again, looks like NQ is going to have supply up in that area as well. So we're going to see if we get some confluence up there. Head on over to NQ. Hey, let's go. And again, if you guys want this watch list today, make sure to run it up 225 likes. I know you guys can do it. I actually have the NQ spot marked. So again, we have 1 hour supply, 30-minute supply. I'm pretty sure you can see 45-minute supply in there. So we actually get up there today. I'm very interested. This 61.8 we broke below on NQ, so not interested. Gonna watch yesterday's low. And then let's see about them fibs. Again, we have if we continue to pull, I really like this 50 and 61.8 on NQ. But other than that, we have this high down to that low. Pretty much right at the beginning of that supply zone. And then we have another nice little cluster up here. So two areas of confluence that we can watch if price were to push today. So going to be keeping a very close eye on 15,566 all the way to the top of supply. And then ideally would like to see that fib cluster for a reject. Cool. All right. Let's take a look at some individual names, see what we are liking today, ladies and gentlemen. Also, yesterday, we ended up taking a swing on, why can I not remember it? We literally got into it. SLB. That's what it was. SLB. So, we're in this right now. It's pushing in the pre-market. Let's hope it can continue to hold up. This was one of the stocks that I was watching very closely for a retest of that daily 21 EMA. So, as you can see, we came down. We hit it yesterday. Got a very nice bullish reaction. I didn't see this until later in the day, so I definitely got a late entry on it. But the risk reward is still there, especially if we can hold this base above 58.7. I mean, pretty much 59.45. We went with the $60 calls, and I don't believe this was a misprint over here. I don't think so. Yeah, it happened during the market, so I don't think it was a misprint. But either way, I'm looking for more upside on this bad boy. Back into that high, if it is a high. Let me check trading view. Hold on. Let me check trading view. Make sure this yeah, no, that's the high up there. Trading view shows 59.44, however. Okay, so 59.44, I guess, is the actual high. I don't know. I guess it was a misprint on ThinkorSwim. Either way, I'm looking for more upside on this bad boy. 59.44 is going to be the first price target since that's the high. But our contract should open up pretty nice. Or as long as we hold. Don't want to get too excited yet. I've been let down before. Thinking I'm going to make a bag and then, oh, nope. Oh, that's not an all-time high. It's yearly high. Anyways, cool. Let's see what this can provide for us. Hopefully a nice little move up. Might trim some at the open depending on how much we're up to. Anyways, all right, let's hop into this. Start with Apple. Apple did test the, hold on, let me pull it up. Yeah, so Apple did test the 100-day SMA yesterday. So that's going to be a big area for Apple. If Apple falls below the 100-day SMA, then we could probably get more downside. But for the time being, wouldn't necessarily try to short the daily time frame. maybe like intraday scalps, but not really seeing anything here on Apple, Airbnb. Nothing here. AI, somebody asked about that earlier. Here, hold on, let me type this in the chat. 225 likes for the watch list. Boom. Make sure we get that daily pin. Anyways, AI, really not interested in anything here. That daily time frame is super ugly. AMD. Kind of looking a little heavy. Came up to that 21 EMA. It's kind of bear flagging right here. Be interested for a breakdown. Let's see. What are we doing? AMD. Amazon literally just like refusing to fill this gap. I mean, if the market got strength, I'd be interested above that high on Amazon, above that upper trend line. Boeing, unfortunately, did not want to come down and give us our bounce. So, nothing there. Baba doing Baba things. Caterpillar so close to the bounce. Looks like it's going to get more upside. Coin. I like the daily on Coin. I like this little hammer that we got. I mean, it definitely has potential to hit that 8 EMA on the weekly for this bull flag, which is typically what I like to see. Let me look at the liquidity. This could be a possibility today. The 90 calls. Maybe if we could get a base above 88.9, I'd be interested. 88.9. Looks like we have room in the 90. So I like coin. We can build that base, and if the spreads stay tight. So keep an eye on that. Costco returned to the daily 21 EMA. Interested there. Google. Could just be a slow grind up. I don't really trade Google too much. Not a big fan. Nothing on IWM. I saw Mara finally reported their earnings. Maybe we can get something going on here. Maybe keep watching it for a swing if it can build a base above that 21 EMA on the daily. Meta still in this little descending triangle that it's got going on. So if it breaks below 309.33, I'm looking for the gap fill. Or if it breaks above this upper trend line right here, invalidating it, because we talked about this yesterday, then I'm interested in upside. Could be a pretty big break if it gets that breakout. So we'll see. Break below 309.33. Look for more downside. Break above here. Look for more upside. Let's see. Meta. Yeah, boot camp day number 9. How to get super handsome. I like it. I like it. Same thing with Microsoft. We kind of got this ugly little channel going on. Little wedge. How do we want to draw this bad boy? There we go. Take it like that. Maybe that comes into play later this week. Maybe off of CPI or PPI. We have that tomorrow and Friday. Let's see. Netflix would be about 445, so I don't necessarily care about that. NVIDIA is kind of just chilling in this range. Looks weak like AMD. But I don't really like the NVIDIA contracts. PayPal don't care about. We'll take a look at Disney. Whoever said Disney. Roku still watching this for a potential swing. I mean, it looks like it got the break. Would have really preferred a bounce. The daily. It's a nice daily candle. No, not that. That one. Yeah, I mean, it's a nice daily candle. This could... I mean, if it cleared 87.10 and held with strength, there's liquidity in the 88s and the 90s. 87.10. Roku. Alrighty. Shopify don't care about. Snow don't care about. SPX, we closed at 4,500. We do have a nice daily gap on SPX, so we could watch that to potentially come into play today. We'll see. That's pretty much it on SPX. We looked at SPY, SQ, don't care about. Tesla. Don't really care about. So we brought up UPST. That got smacked off of earnings. And then we'll take a look at Disney. Disney's moving. That, remember, this level was huge. Look at the monthly. This level's been massive. I actually like it for long term down at these levels. But all right, looks like AMD, Amazon, Coin, Meta, and Roku are my go-tos today. Those seem to be the favorites. All righty. Well, what time is it? It's only 8:22. Let's take a look at some other stocks for you guys. See if there is anything that piques my interest. And then we'll go from there. Also, feel free to ask any questions. If you want me to look at a stock, just make sure it's not a penny stock, because I don't trade pennies. Yes, Nike is in a squeeze. However, not a big fan of this short. I'll tell you what, though, if you guys saw my tweet, I started adding the equity for this URA. I really like this monthly setup that we got going on here. Nice monthly squeeze, holding above the 21 and 8 EMA. We came down last month, retested the breakout, had a nice bullish reaction. So far this month, we're having a bullish reaction. So far I'm going with the equity, and I'm planning to hold this for, a minimum of 6 months. But I'm also looking for potential leaps out in 2025. So something just to keep your eye on. It reminds me of the gold trade that we took back in, what was it, 2021, I think it was? Or no, it was last year, I think, 2022. Reminds me of this setup right here that we were able to catch on gold. So hopefully just with this one, it can continue to push. I really like that URA for more upside. How'd I know to take the SLB swing? It's everything that I teach on this channel and teach in my book. Everything. Level of interest, confirming price action, confirming volume, confirming reaction. Good morning. All right, let's take a look at some stocks. Hood. This is literally the last time I traded Hood. It was way back here. It was a swing, and it did I can't even remember how much it did. I think it was a couple 100% or something like that. We entered, I think it was this day right here. And then we caught that move. Something like that. It was a crazy trade. That's the last time I traded it. Wow. Anyways, present day. If I were to watch this, it would be a bounce down there. Those two levels. Yeah, I traded gold last week on Forex, XAU USD. First time I took a Forex trade in a minute. Let's see. We looked at PayPal. Already looked at PayPal. We can take a look at some airlines. I know UAL has a really nice monthly setup. So I like that monthly squeeze and that we're holding. And then we set this higher monthly low. So something that you could potentially watch in the future. AAL. Honestly, don't really like AAL, just period. Never been a big fan of trading it. DAL, I think, could potentially set up for a monthly bull flag right here. That's definitely a possibility. Yeah, if it doesn't break out here on the weekly, it could set up for a monthly bull flag. Yes, I like Meta. We're going to go back to that here in a little bit. Make sure to watch the Fibonacci video that I just posted yesterday. I say why I only used the 50 and 61.8. My man JB, what's up? Let's see if we take a look at Oracle. You can watch for more upside if it breaks this trend line. Or downside, it starts breaking below. Carvana, you're going to make me look at Carvana? Fine, I will. Nice little reaction right off that daily 21 EMA yesterday. Just going to say that looked pretty good. But as far as the setup, not necessarily seeing anything. But what do we got? We got 3 minutes until 8:30, and then we can start narrowing the list. Let me see if we have what the news is today. 1 second. Also trying to eat this protein bar. Petroleum inventories at 10:30. 10-year note at 1, and then mortgage applications we already had. So nothing crazy. We can take a look at Lucid. About to make a bag off of those puts that I sold. I haven't even bought them back yet. I had the 6.5 puts and the 6 puts sold, so I collected the premium. The 6s expire tomorrow. I'll probably buy back the 6.5s today, actually, because they were down. Hold on, let me see how much I'm up. Yeah, the 6.5s I sold, they were up 70% yesterday, and then the 6 puts are up 91.3%. So I like this whole selling premium. Love it. All right. Sorry if you guys are hearing me eat. My apologies. But, I mean, if you're going to watch Lucid, it would be a bounce down here at like 7. 6.9 to 7. Cool. I looked at AI. I don't like it. Not liking any setup there. Alrighty. Cool. It's 8:30. So, again, what I need you guys to do is make sure to smash that like button. We got 262 people in here, 152 likes. If you guys want this watch list, you need 75 more likes. 225 is the goal. Yeah, we can take a look at Roblox and then we'll start finalizing. Oh my god. Slaughter. What are we trading at? 34? I mean, 33.60 is the only area I see. And it pretty much already hit it. So, nothing there. Alrighty. I don't have any ES. Again, this is going to be my high confluence area. So, let's see. What does this start from? Whoops. 45.50 up to 45.60. Oh, sorry, I had to sneeze. All right, so we might actually have to use ES levels today. You can see that we do have that supply up there. I personally like using supply and demand more on ES and NQ. Yeah. So I guess I'll give you guys, I'll type out SPY and QQQ just for like the watch list, but know that there is a wider zone that we need to keep on watch on the futures. So, QQQ bounce at 369.25 to 3. I think that says 368. Yeah, 368.86. It's probability bounce at 369 or 367.60 to 367.3. Rejects 376.85. Would that be a $3 move? And 378.4 to 378.75. Highest probability. Cool, we got that one. SPY. Bounce 445.3. Reject 452.4 and 454.1. Yeah, okay. We'll add this ES into there. $45.50 to $45.60. All right, let's narrow this bad boy down between AMD, Amazon, Coin, Meta, Roku. See which ones we like the most. You guys are getting close to that like goal. All right, let's start with AMD. No, I would never. I don't day trade it. AMC. No. I'd rather just trade SPY and QQQ. I'll sell premium on AMC, but not trade it. Like, I wouldn't be a buyer of it. But let's see. AMD. Maybe if the market got weak, we could look for a break below this low for more downside at 113.2. So that's definitely something I would rotate to if the market started to pull today. I mean, we could 140.50 to 140.85. That'd be like a 35-cent scalp. Just nothing crazy. Maybe. Maybe. I think I'm rocking with this coin. Above yesterday's high. Yeah, we're gonna rock with coin. Liking the daily time frame for a potential higher low. Looking for a base above 89 for an uptrend entry. And then let's see, meta. It's 313.63. 315. Maybe this might be a side watch. We'll probably see a little closer to market open, but as far as the stocks that are definitely going on the list, I like QQQ, SPY, and then Coin. Those are just the main ones. As far as everything else, we might have to wait. Oops. Where was that typing SLB at? Crank for me, baby. Send it. Send it. We're already up like $1 from our entry, which is going to be nice. I think the delta was like 40. Pull up the Swang account. Yeah, like $44. 40 to 44. Cool. I'll take it. All right, QQQ, SPY, Coin. Let's run through it one more time. UD. I think we're going to roll with this. I just don't like how we're in that daily consolidation. That's the one thing that I don't really like. Wings on there. Meta. Yeah, I don't know, guys. We're gonna have to wait. Honestly, it might end up being Roku. I like how it's breaking and holding. And it could potentially set a higher low here. We're gonna go with Roku. We are going to go with Roku. Roku, liking the daily time frame for a potential higher low, plus breaking above 4-hour wedge. Looking for strength above 87.1 for more upside. All right, there's Roku. I do like that HD as well, right off that 21. Nice little reaction. But cool. QQQ, SPY, Coin, Roku. Those are my go-tos today. How many likes we got? 212. 212. You guys need 13 more. Then you guys get this watch list. And again, if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, definitely make sure to do so. I do go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. It is free $99 to join. All you have to do is click that like button. That's it. So make sure you guys tune in. Keeps me sane. You guys keep me company, which I like. And then also make sure to check out the bootcamp videos. If you guys didn't see, I have so far 7 days or 8 days worth of bootcamp videos right here. So it's a new series I'm starting on the channel for the next 31 days. I'm uploading every single day a brand new educational video. It might go a little longer than 31 days. We'll see how I'm feeling at the end if I do want to do more. But yeah, if you guys haven't checked them out, highly suggest doing so. Lots of positive feedback. So if you guys ever got some spare time today or even this weekend, make sure you guys go through and watch some of them. Oh, what's up? Good morning. Alrighty. 10 more likes. You guys can do it. I know you can. Hey, I appreciate that. I appreciate that. I guess any other questions while I'm on here? Anybody? While we're waiting, it's only 8:40. So any questions at all? Unless you're good and I can give you the watch list and say adios. Yeah, I appreciate that. I appreciate it. Cool. Well, got 250 people here. We hit 230 likes. I like it. Alrighty. So as always, I'm not a certified financial advisor. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. Now, also, if you guys haven't checked out my book on Amazon, The New Age of Technical Analysis, book number 2 is going to be dropping very soon. So I highly suggest you get book number 1, piece together book number 1, the boot camp that I'm doing on this channel, and then book number 2. It is going to help you guys out substantially in your trading. I talk about stuff in the book that I don't talk about in the boot camp. So just want to make that very clear. They are completely separate. So definitely make sure you guys check out the book. Here is this link, or here is the link right there to check it out. On Amazon, 450 pages. Goes over my entire strategy. And book number 2 is on the way. Honestly thought I would have book number 2 out earlier, but I went through and I wasn't satisfied with it, so I'm adding more to it. So just keep you guys in the loop on that. Adding more content to book number 2. Was not satisfied. Coin and Raku. That is everything today, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, I appreciate all the love for Brandon's book club. Yeah, if you guys want to join the BBC club, Brandon's book club, hit me up. I'll get you guys a link to the book Discord. But any questions before I hop off for the day? Any questions? Let's go. Alrighty. Alrighty. Yeah, that was the guy that GD and Jadon had on the webinar. Let's do this. All right, well, that is the watch list, everybody. Everybody have an amazing day. And again, make sure you guys tune in every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Also, I'm trying out some 0 DTE trading today, so I'll let you guys know how that goes tomorrow. But yeah, everybody have an amazing day, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.